Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The perfect ham and cheese sandwich, a classic guide to making it right. Few foods are as universally loved, or as simple to make, as a ham and cheese sandwich. Whether it's a quick lunch, a late-night snack, or a picnic staple, this classic combo never goes out of style. It's customizable, satisfying, and always hits the spot. From diners to delis, the ham and cheese sandwich has earned its place as a go-to meal worldwide. It's the kind of food that feels familiar yet never gets old. Ready to make yours even better? Let's break down what makes this sandwich a timeless favorite. The history of the ham and cheese sandwich. The ham and cheese sandwich didn't just appear one day, it's the result of centuries of culinary tradition. From humble European beginnings to its rise as an American lunchbox hero, the sandwich has a story worth telling. Let's dig into how it became the beloved meal we know today. Early origins in European cuisine. The pairing of ham and cheese goes way back, rooted in the simple but clever food traditions of Europe. France and Italy played big roles in shaping this combo. In France, the croque monsieur, a toasted ham and cheese sandwich, debuted in Parisian cafes around the early 1900s, but the concept of ham with cheese was already common in rural kitchens. Italy had its own take, with prosciutto e mozzarella appearing in regional dishes long before sandwiches became trendy. Farmers and workers often ate cured meats with fresh cheeses for a filling, no-fuss meal. Back then, this wasn't gourmet food, it was practical. Salted ham kept well, and cheese added richness. Throw them between bread, and you had a meal that could last through a day's work. The sandwich's popularity in America. The ham and cheese sandwich really took off in the US during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Two big factors helped. Immigration. European immigrants brought their food traditions, including the ham and cheese combo. Delis and diners started offering it, adapting it to local tastes. Industrialization. With factory jobs and school lunches becoming the norm, people needed fast, portable meals. Pre-sliced bread, affordable ham, and processed cheese made it an easy choice. By the 1950s, it was a lunchbox staple. Kids ate it at school, workers packed it for shifts, and diners served it grilled or cold. It wasn't fancy, just reliable, tasty, and always there when you needed it. From European kitchens to American lunch bags, the ham and cheese sandwich earned its spot as a global comfort food. Next time you take a bite, remember, this sandwich has been satisfying appetites for generations. Essential ingredients for the perfect ham and cheese sandwich. A great ham and cheese sandwich hinges on the quality of its core ingredients. Each component, bread, ham, and cheese, plays a crucial role in the final taste and texture. Choose wisely, and you'll elevate this simple dish into something truly special. Choosing the right bread. Bread is the foundation of any sandwich, and for ham and cheese, texture and flavor matter just as much as sturdiness. Not all loaves are created equal. Sourdough, tangy and slightly chewy, with a crisp crust that holds up against juicy fillings. It balances rich ham and melty cheese beautifully. Whole wheat, heartier and nuttier, adding depth to milder cheese and ham. Less toasted to avoid crumbliness. Baguette, crusty on the outside, soft inside. Perfect if you want a crunch with every bite, but it can be too firm for some. Rye, earthy and slightly bitter, a great match for smoked ham and sharp cheese varieties. White or brioche, soft and subtly sweet, ideal for a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Brioche adds a hint of richness. A stale or overly dense bread ruins the experience, so opt for fresh, bakery-quality loaves whenever possible. Selecting the best ham. Ham comes in many forms, from smoky to sweet, and your choice will define the sandwich's personality. Smoked ham, bold and woodsy, with a deep flavor that stands up to sharper cheeses like aged cheddar or Gruyere. Honey-glazed ham, sweeter and milder, a crowd pleaser that pairs well with creamy Swiss or Gouda. Prosciutto, thinly sliced, salty, and slightly funky. Best with fresh mozzarella or ricotta for contrast. Black Forest ham, lean and mildly spiced, a versatile option that works with most cheeses. Virginia ham, intensely salty and perfect for lovers of bold flavors. Balance it with a mild, melty cheese like Havarti. Aim for thick cut slices if you want more substance, or shaved ham for a lighter texture. Avoid overly processed varieties, they tend to be rubbery and bland. Picking the perfect cheese. Cheese brings richness, creaminess, and meltability, or not, depending on your preference. The right choice depends on how you plan to eat your sandwich, cold or grilled. Cheddar, sharp or mild, it melts well for grilled sandwiches and adds a tangy punch. Swiss, mild and nutty, with those signature holes. It melts smoothly and pairs with almost any ham. Gruyere, a deeper, slightly sweet flavor that turns golden and gooey when heated. Ideal for a gourmet touch. Provolone, silky and mild, great for layering without overpowering the ham. Blue cheese, strong and crumbly, for those who love a funky contrast with salty prosciutto or smoked ham. Soft cheeses like brie work for cold sandwiches but can get messy when melted. Hard cheeses like Parmesan are better as a garnish than the main cheese. Classic and creative variations of ham and cheese sandwiches. The beauty of a ham and cheese sandwich lies in its versatility. While the classic version is always a winner, countless variations can take this staple from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're craving something traditional or want to experiment with bold flavors, there's a ham and cheese combo for every taste. The classic ham and cheese on white bread. Sometimes, simplicity wins. The classic ham and cheese sandwich, sliced deli ham, a layer of American or Swiss cheese, and a swipe of mayo or mustard between two slices of soft white bread, is a nostalgic favorite for a reason. It's quick, satisfying, and delivers a perfect balance of salty ham, creamy cheese, and pillowy bread. This version thrives on comfort, not complexity. No frills needed, just fresh ingredients and a light toast to melt the cheese slightly. Need proof of its staying power? Look at school lunches, diners, and delis. Decades later, this combo still never fails. And that's it for part 1. Now you know how to get your ingredients just right. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll take this sandwich to the next level and give you some tasty tips to make it even better. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.